Hey everyone, this is Sultan with Rex Theme, and today I'm going to show you how you can install and activate the plugin Marketplace Autosync for WooCommerce. You see, Marketplace Autosync for WooCommerce is a great plugin to automatically sync your WooCommerce products with Google Shopping, Facebook Shop, and we are working on more shop integrations such as TikTok Shop. Alright, the fact is, as an e-commerce business, you must take advantage of the large online marketplaces out there, especially Google Shopping. But the problem here is when you simply submit your product feed there, it's not that efficient. You'd rather want to somehow find a way to sync your product data and your inventory with the marketplaces. All right, so you should look for either a tool to sync between the two endpoints, like from your WooCommerce shop to Google Shopping. All right, or you can find a software to do that, right? And that's where Marketplace Autosync comes in. All right, this plugin lets you connect your WooCommerce shop to Google Shopping and sync your products over there. All right, so you don't need to do anything manually. All right, so now let's go ahead and see how you can install and activate the plugin. You can get the plugin from Rex Theme individually, or you can get it as part of a value for money bundle called Sell Kit. I'll keep a link in the description which you can check out. All right, whichever you want to choose, that's up to you. Once you purchase the plugin, during checkout you will be prompted to create an account. So to install and activate the plugin, you need to first go to the account. All right, and here you'll see that you have the purchase details. So from there you need to go to downloads and you need to download the plugin from here. Now I have all the plugins in my account, which is why I'm seeing all the plugins, and on the right side there's the download link. For your case, if you're just purchasing the Marketplace Autosync plugin, then you can look for it here, or only that should be listed here. All right, so let's look for that one, and there you go. So let me click on this one and the plugin will be downloaded. Once the plugin is downloaded, now it's time to go ahead and install and activate it in your website. So let's go to my website dashboard, and here let's go to plugins and click on add plugin. Now remember, before you activate this plugin, it's best if you have WooCommerce installed in your website and you have some products configured. I figured this is something you would want to use in your live site. So just for testing purpose, first create a staging site where you have WooCommerce in the products, and then install and activate it to see how it works, and then you can move it onto your live site. So let's click on upload plugin, and here you need to upload the plugin. So I've just downloaded the plugin in the downloads folder, so I'll just click and drag and drop it here and click on install now, and the plugin will be installed. And then I'll click on activate plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you'll see that a menu will appear on the left side where you have the configurations, and it will take you through a smooth setup wizard. All right, so you can see it talks about the plugin and it's giving you a video which you can watch to see how to configure and use it. All right, so once you have this, scroll down, let's click on next, and here you can see that it is asking you to choose the merchant that you want to sync. So we currently have Google and Facebook ready, and we're working on TikTok, we're working on eBay, that's coming soon, right? And here you need to activate the license to be able to use the plugin. For the license, go to your account and go to the license key tab, and here look for the plugin license. There you go. So just below the plugin name, you'll see the license key. Just copy that and go back to your website and paste it in the field and click on activate license. And there you go, the license is activated. So once this is activated, click on next and you're done. So now let's start to create the auto sync. So let's click on this, and it's going to let you choose which merchant you want to auto sync with, and it will help you go through the process to configure it, so that you just set it up once and it can start working on it on its own. So that's just about it. So go ahead and get this plugin if you want to sync your WooCommerce shop with large marketplaces without much manual effort. All right, I'll create more tutorial videos to show you how to use this in different scenarios. All right, so yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in one of my future videos. Take care.